Hello everyone, today I will show you how to update or modify a list box in a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my list box and I will edit this list box. Now select this form option. Here you will find the select option. Click on the select annotation. Now drag on mouse and select your list box. Now press right button for your mouse cursor again and select properties dialog box. At properties dialog box is generate option. You can change this list box name if you want, and this appearance option. You can change text font size and make it 40. Also, you can choose it auto and make it 40 again. And also, you can add this fill color and this option menu. Here you can add new item or delete any item. And select add and say this word now added here. Also you can short this item and so on. Now select close. Now press hand option and say this, and finally say this file option, save or save as in fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.